Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add TikTok music to CapCut. So open up a project and you are going to first mute clip audio, and then you are going to go to audio here, and then you are going to go to sounds. Then you are going to select link to TikTok account. After that, you are going to select authorize, and it's going to go back to CapCut. And then after that, the music that you favorited on TikTok, well, the sounds will be here. So if you want to use it, you're just going to press this like download sort of button here, and then press the plus button, and it's going to be added to your video on CapCut. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!